Hello guys, welcome to Macintosh Weekly. And today in this video, I'm going to show how to locate the video wallpapers location on a Mac. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. And now, let's begin. Here you can see that a few of the wallpapers have been downloaded. And to find the downloaded wallpapers, go to the following path and you'll have all the downloaded wallpapers there. Here you can see all the downloaded dynamic wallpapers are here. So that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.